Hi friends, today we are going to draw something super exciting. Yeah, that's right. We are going to draw a plate of fruits. First, I am going to draw a circle.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the
Now
Muffin
I am going to
Man.
draw another circle in the middle.
We know the Muffin
Do
Man
you
who
like
lives
eating
on
fruits?
Drury
They are my
Lane.
favorite. Can you tell me which fruit is your favorite? Mine is an apple. Now let's draw an apple.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Wow, I am having so much fun. Please draw with
Man
me.
who lives on Drury Lane.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Now I am
We
going to
know
draw a
the Muffin
strawberry.
Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Now let's draw the banana.
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Draw some dots in the middle.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Yeah, just like that.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Now we are going to draw some berries. Oh, before that, let's draw some cherries. Cherries are my favorite. They are super healthy.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo.
Now I am going to draw some berries.
To my loo, my darling.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Lulu,
Let's draw a few lines. And we are almost done. Now I am going to draw a knife.
darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo.
Now I am going to draw a fork. Oh look, we have some cute hearts in the middle. I am having so much fun. Please draw with me. Let's color it.
Moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
Red.
Cows in the pasture.
The apple is red.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Lulu, skip
Green.
Lulu, skip to my loo.
Yellow.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon
Red.
painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue.
Green.
To my loo, my darling.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu,
Pink.
skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Off to
Green again.
2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas
Purple.
2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my
Now let's
darling.
color the plate.
Lulu, skip to my loo.
Pink.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Green. Purple.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Blue.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu,
Light blue.
skip to my loo, my darling.
Found my partner, love is true.
We are almost there. Please draw with me.
Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Purple.
was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way
Yellow.
the money goes. Pop
Wow,
goes
it's
the
already looking very good. I am loving it. Do you like it? Purple again. Yellow. And ta-da! We are done. I had so much fun. See you next time.
goes the